Hello America, this is Keith, your friendly neighborhood technician, coming at you about ranges or stoves or whatever you want to call them. As we know, it's getting cold, which means it's going to be cooking season again. So a few tips on what to look for if your range is working correctly. Do you have one of these, and how old is one of these? If you have one of these, this is a good way to determine, does this match what this says? Okay, if it doesn't, then one of these needs to be changed. If you've got a really old one of these, throw it out, get a new one, and then test your oven, okay? Basically what you do is you'll put this in the oven, okay? Hang it, do whatever, just get it in the oven. And then you're gonna come to your oven, you're gonna set it for 350, 400, whatever it is, and then you're gonna let it get up to temperature. Once this thing hits temperature, then you wanna look at your thermostat. If they are within a couple, 2 or 3 degrees, not a problem. But if you've got anything more than 5 to 7 degrees, you have a problem. At that point, you need to do one of two things. You can either see if that is good, but if that's new, probably is. If not, all of these have built-in programming to move up and down anywhere from 5 to 30 degrees up in temperature or down in temperature to get to the proper temperature. Now, I'm not going to go through how to do this one, how to do that one, how to do that one. Every manufacturer is a little bit differently. All you got to do is Google temperature adjustment for whatever range you have. Okay, if it's a GE, or a Samsung, whatever, they all have their own special tool, and you can do this yourself. If you still have the owner's manual, it will also be in the owner's manual, okay? But I would highly check that now, get ahead of the curve, because if you wait too long and your stuff is going out, it's going to be hard to get your stuff fixed. But now you've got time between now and Thanksgiving to make sure it's working correctly, get everything up so you have a correct temperature, okay? Real easy, real basic, something you can yourself. If it's more than 30 degrees off, you've got a bigger problem, call a tech to come out, figure out what else is causing your problem, okay? Have a nice weekend. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel and have a wonderful day.